Children, I told you that we add apostrophe S to the nouns to show belonging. But some nouns end in S. Now, in that case, we only use apostrophe to show belonging. Okay? So, sometimes we use apostrophe S to show belonging. Okay? But for those nouns which end in the letter S, in that case, what do? We only use apostrophe to show belonging. Now, we'll have a look at some of the examples which are given in the book. So, open page number 22 of your book. Now, look here. The sentence is, the child looked into the bird's nest. Now, the noun birds is ending with the letter S. Okay? So, here we have only put apostrophe. Because this noun birds is ending in the letter S. So, here only apostrophe will be used. No S. Now, the bird's nest here means what? The nest in which the birds lived. Okay? Or we can say the nest belonging to the birds. Next is, the soldiers' guns were very heavy. Now, the soldiers' guns means what? The guns carried by the soldiers or the guns belonging to the soldiers. Now, the word soldiers is ending with the letter S. So, here also we have used apostrophe only after the word soldiers. So, just remember that those nouns which end in S, which end with the letter S, for those nouns we only use apostrophe to show possession or belonging. So, children, the nest in which the birds lived can be written as what? The bird's nest. And only apostrophe will come after the word birds because it is ending with the letter S. Similarly, the guns carried by the soldiers can be written as what? The soldiers' guns. Now, here again, because the word is ending with the letter S, so we have only used apostrophe. The soldiers' guns. Now, let's look at the exercise. Okay, before this, let's have a look at the box given in the book. Apostrophe S and apostrophe show what? They show belonging or some other relationship, like I told you. Then apostrophe S added to most of the nouns, right? To show belonging, we add apostrophe S to most of the nouns, but only apostrophe is added to the nouns which are ending in S. So, remember this rule. Those nouns which are ending in S, for them to show possession or for them to show belonging, you'll only put what? Only apostrophe. Now, you'll understand this better with the exercises given in the book. Write these expressions using only apostrophe or S. The first one is the speeches made by the teachers. Now, the speeches made by the teachers. Now, teachers is what? It is ending with the letter S. So, are we going to put apostrophe or apostrophe S here? We'll write it as the teachers' speeches. Because teachers is ending with the letter S. So, we'll only put apostrophe. Next, the song sung by the students. Now, this can be written as what? The students' song. Students is ending with the letter S. So, here again we have put only apostrophe. Next, page number 23. Third part, the hostel in which girls live. So the hostel belonging to the girls, we'll write it as the girls' hostel. Now where will we put apostrophe? After the word girls. The girls' hostel. Okay, only apostrophe we have put because the word is ending with the letter S. Next, the advice given by the doctor. Now you can notice here that the word doctor is not the noun doctor is not ending with the letter S. So what are we going to put here? Apostrophe or apostrophe S? Think. Apostrophe S will come here. The doctor's advice. Okay. Simple rule you have to understand that those nouns which are ending with S, to show possession or to show belonging, you will put apostrophe only. Okay. और जो वर्ड, जो नाउन एस में एंड नहीं होता उसमें हम बिलोंगिंग शो करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? उसमें हम अपॉस्ट्रोफे एस यूज करते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट, द कार्स बिलोंगिंग टू द ऑफिसर्स. द कार्स बिलोंगिंग टू द ऑफिसर्स. नाउ ऑफिसर्स इज एंडिंग विद एस. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था जो नाउन्स एस में एंड करते हैं, जब हम उनकी बिलोंगिंग शो करते हैं तो उसमें हम सिर्फ अपॉस्ट्रोफे ऐड करते हैं. ओके. तो यहां हम ऑफिसर्स के बाद सिर्फ अपॉस्ट्रोफे ऐड करेंगे. द ऑफिसर्स कार्स. नेक्स्ट, द हाउस इन विच द प्रिंसिपल लिव्स. So we are actually talking about the principal's house here. So principal, we know it is not ending with S. So we'll put apostrophe S. The principal's house. Okay. Next, the tools used by the carpenter. Now carpenter also, tools belong to whom? They belong to the carpenter. So they'll be called carpenter's tools. But where will we put whether we'll put apostrophe or apostrophe S? That's the question. So here we'll put apostrophe S. Yes. The carpenter's tools. Okay. और इन केस अगर ये प्लूरल होता, अगर यहाँ पर मेंशन्ड होता द टूल्स यूज्ड बाय द कारपेंटर्स, तब हम क्या करते? तब हम कारपेंटर्स के बाद अपॉस्ट्रोफे लगाते. ओके. बट ऐसा है नहीं इस कंडीशन में. ओनली द वर्ड कारपेंटर इज गिवन, सो वी हैव यूज्ड अपॉस्ट्रोफे एस. अगर ये एस में एंड होता, कारपेंटर्स होता यहां, तब हम सिर्फ अपॉस्ट्रोफे यूज करते. ओके. लेट्स मूव फर्दर. एक्सरसाइज एफ. रीराइट दीज सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग अपॉस्ट्रोफे और अपॉस्ट्रोफे एस. Everybody remembers now why we use apostrophe or apostrophe S. They are used to show belonging or some other relationship. We should always follow the advice of our parents. Now the advice of our parents. Instead of saying the advice of our parents, we can shorten it and say our parents' advice. Okay. Parents is ending with the letter S. So we'll put apostrophe after the word parents. So we'll rewrite it as what? We should always follow our parents' advice. Okay. Next. There was a chemistry book in the hand of the teacher. Now, instead of saying hand of the teacher, we can say the teacher's hand. Okay, now this noun is not ending with S. So, we'll put apostrophe S after the word teacher. So, we'll rewrite it as what? There was a chemistry book. There was a chemistry book in the teacher's hand. Okay. Next, two assistants also had their seats in the office in which the manager sits. Now the office in which the manager sits can be rewritten as what? The manager's office. So, children, our sentence will be like, two assistants also had their seats in the manager's office. Okay, we'll put apostrophe S after the word manager. Next, somebody ran away with the purses of the ladies. Now this can be rewritten as what? Somebody ran away with the ladies' purses. Now ladies is ending with S, so we'll only put apostrophe after the word ladies. Now children, 5th, 6th and 7th part. This I'm leaving for you. Try to do it on your own. I know you'll be able to do it easily. Alright children? So that's all for today. Thank you.